Hey Skelly, so I had a weed eater problem and I went and bought it, ended up buying a new weed eater, and now the new one won't start. Here's a quick time lapse of me putting it together, and the couple of seconds that you see at the end is the only time it ran. It's never run since. I'm gonna have to take it back. And that was the last time it ran until the next day. I tried several more times, couldn't get things to work. And then Bill came over and showed me the wonderful idea of putting about half a spritz of WD-40 in the carburetor. It's not really good for the engine, but it did get it started. Once it ran, the first time it started running a lot better. Thank you so much, Bill. Really appreciate it.